Hi makeup peeps and welcome to a new video. I hope the sound is good because my 3D printer is printing like non-stop today. But today is just a short intro because I have to work and clean some stuff up. So I'm pretty excited to show you this video because this lamp is kind of an DePeep classic, I would say, because I started my YouTube channel with building this filter lamp. It actually was a challenge with Rike Radlader. She sent me this old filter she found and I had to turn it into something, and I just made this light. Oh, I can show you the video I made for her. And I'm quite excited and proud to show you this because I've never seen like a filter lamp before, so it was something new I created, I think. I just love building it. I just really do love the aesthetic of these two metal pieces, and behind or inside is this light bulb, and I really just like looking at it and seeing through these metal pieces. I just think it's very nice to look at it. Yeah, so I gifted them to Rike, to my dad, to other family members, and also to Laura. So there's one in the Bricks gallery, I think. But I just found out that, well, in the US you need other light bulbs than in Europe. That was quite unsatisfying that when I was in LA it just didn't work because you need some lower electro stuff. Well, okay, but in this video you will see how it will light up. So have fun watching it. So if you have any questions, just write them down and I will see you then in the comment section. Okay, have fun! Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you want to support, leave a like, leave a comment, leave an abo, or you also can follow me on Instagram. And then we will see us in the next weeks with a new video. Alright, bye!